Hi, Miss LaJoy here. Today I'm going to show you how to find the equation of a line from two given points. So the 2 points I'm going to use today are 4 and -2 and 6 and -4. So you might have a question that says find the equation of a line that passes through these 2 points. Okay, so I've got 2 points here. I'm going to say this is my first point. So I've got x1 and y1. And my second point is x2, y2. So there are two things we need to write the equation of a line. Remember that the equation of a line is written in the form y equals mx plus b. So in the equation of a line, m is our slope and b is our y-intercept. So we need both of those things to write the equation of this line. Now the previous questions you were doing gave you a slope or a perpendicular slope, and then you just had to find the missing y-intercept. But now we have to find both things. So the first thing we're going to find is our slope. So I have my 2 points on the line, and I'm going to use the slope formula to find our slope. So remember that slope is rise over run, which is the change in y. So y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, or sometimes it's written as delta y over delta x. That means the change in y over the change in x. So since I've labeled them here, let's take a look and find the slope. So m equals my y2 is -4 minus my y1 is -2 minus -2 over x2, which is 6, minus x1, which is 4. So when I solve this, remember that if I've got these two negatives beside each other, they're going to change into a positive. So this is going to be m equals -4 plus 2 over 6 minus 4. So when I work that out, -4 plus 2 is -2, and 6 minus 4 is 2. I can reduce this down because 2 goes into 2 one time, and I've got that negative, so we end up with -1. So therefore, slope is -1. Okay, we're going to remember that because we're going to move on and do the second part of this question. So I'm going to clear this, but I'll write the information that we have again. So our 2 points are 4, -2, and 6, -4. We've already found that our slope is -1. So what is the other thing missing from the equation of a line? We already have the slope. We need the y-intercept. So how are we going to find that y-intercept? Well, we have a slope and we have 2 points. So all we have to do is select one of our 2 points and plug it into the equation of the line. So I'm going to select the first point. So I'm going to use 0.4 and -2 as my x and y, and my m is -1. So if I plug this into the equation of a line, I have, I'll just rewrite this, y equals mx plus b. So y is -2, m is -1, x is 4, plus b. So now what I have to do is isolate for b. So -2 equals -1 times 4 is -4 plus b. If I isolate for b, I'm going to take the -4 and move it over to the other side. So I get -2 plus 4 equals b. -2 plus 4, of course, is 2. So that means 2 equals b. So how do I write the equation of the line? I need this, and I need this. So the equation of the line is y equals, my -1 I can just write as -x, right? Writing -1x is redundant, so we don't need to do that. And then plus our y-intercept, which is +2, so plus 2. So there is our equation of the line. Y equals -x plus 2.